Hey, I'm over here at Academy. I'm in the aisle where all the folding chairs are. I want to show you for the carts I've been talking about. So let me switch you around. Okay, these are folding carts. And some of y'all are in cars and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have enough space. Well, you can get one of these folding carts. They're like a metal frame with a canvas interior. You can get these. These will help you get to and from your vehicle and your booth spaces for loading and unloading. Okay, so there's a lot of options for chairs and stuff too. They're easily portable. I come over here, and this is what I was telling y'all about in another video, are these metal mesh carts. So there's the price at Academy here. I'm sure it varies, but anyway, so this is what I'm talking about. You can unfold the sides, so it doesn't fold up like the canvas ones do, but you can let the sides down. You can pull this pin here and the pins, in the back here, leave the cotter pins in there, but then these sides will fall down. Okay, so then you put your flat heavy stuff like your tables and stuff like that on there. So you have a lot of options, and all these little tools will help make things easier when it comes to setting up and tearing down any event that you do, because you just never know if you're going to get a closed parking spot or not. So anyway, again, I hope this helps.